MCP was a context killer. Claude Code just fixed it. Tool search finally makes MCP integrations usable. One of the biggest problems right now for everyone using AI coding tools is context window and MCP. We only have 200,000 context window, and we don't even get full allocation for that when we code. Between system prompts, conversation history, and tool definitions, you're already starting at a deficit. Well, Claude Code just released MCP tool search, the context tags. The biggest issue with MCPs is they're powerful, but expensive. Just 5 to 6 MCP integrations will fill up your context window and you can't even do anything. You connect Figma, Playwright, GitHub, a couple custom servers, and suddenly 30 to 50% of your context is gone before you type a single prompt. Opus is powerful, but what's the point of using it when you're running out of session every 10 to 15 minutes? We can't ignore MCPs either since it's the easiest and most popular way to extend Claude's capabilities. Browser automation, database access, file operations, custom API. This is what makes Claude Code actually useful for real work. So we were stuck. Use MCPs and burn context, or skip MCPs and lose functionality. What we tried. A couple months ago, solutions started coming out. Anthropic, Cloudflare, Docker all mentioned their suggestions and approaches. People tried them, including me. Code execution wrappers, skills with lazy loading, universal MCP configs, manual tool prioritization. They all have pros and cons. Some broke tool discovery, others added latency. None felt like real solutions. I've been waiting for an official fix, and now it's here. The fix. It's awesome and intuitive. Connect whatever MCP you want and Claude will search and load relevant tools for you. Instead of preloading every single tool definition at session start, it searches on demand. Here's how it works. First, threshold detection. If your MCP tools exceed 10% of context, tool search activates automatically. Second, semantic search. When you need a tool, Claude searches for it by keyword and similarity. Need GitHub tools? It searches GitHub and loads just those definitions. Third, on-demand loading. Tools only consume context when you actually use them. Switch tasks, context shifts with you. No config needed. It just works. The proof. Before, MCP tools eating 20 to 50% of context window. After, MCP tools loaded on demand, effectively 0% until needed. Simon Willison said it best. Context pollution is why I rarely used MCP. Now there's no reason not to hook up dozens or hundreds of MCPs. That's exactly right. If it's not working yet, since it's rolling out, it might not be available for you even though your CLI is up to date. For weird reasons, it happened to me. If it's happening to you, run these commands. Source your ZSHRC file. Export the environment variable. Enable underscore tool underscore search equals true. Then launch Claude. That's it. Check with /context. If MCP tool shows loaded on demand instead of a token count, it's working. Call some MCP tool and you'll see MCP search appear when Claude finds the right integration. Go wild. Now I'm enabling all the MCPs I've been waiting to use. I'm loving it. Notion, Linear, Exa, Vercel, database tools, the whole stack. There's no penalty anymore. The barrier that kept most people at 2 to 4 servers is gone. Connect everything. Let Claude figure out what it needs. Time for you to get wild too. And let's find something else to complain to Anthropic about.